how to create AI generated video explainers automatically using free Google AI tool called NotebookLM. No video editing, no voice recording, no slide design. Just upload a document and Google's AI does the rest. Let's understand how this works using a real example and then walk through the full process step by step. What is this Google AI video feature? NotebookLM is a free AI tool by Google that works directly with your own documents. Unlike normal chatbots, NotebookLM does not answer from generic internet knowledge. It works strictly from the sources you upload. One of its most impressive features is video overviews. Video overviews take your documents and automatically convert them into an AI narrated video with slides, visuals, key points, and explanations. Let's now see this using an actual document. For this demo, let's take a simple example. Assume we have a document called generative_ai.pdf. This PDF contains an introduction to generative AI, including core definitions, how generative models work, popular model types, and real-world applications. This is exactly the kind of content students, teachers, and content creators work with every day. Now let's convert generative_ai.pdf into a full video explainer. Let's start by creating a new notebook in Google NotebookLM. Let's give it a name like Generative AI Video Explainer. Go to the Sources panel, click on Add Sources, click on Upload File, select the PDF file. As soon as the PDF is uploaded, NotebookLM reads the document and prepares it for analysis. At this point, nothing has been generated yet. We have simply provided the source material to the AI. Now let's move to the right side of the screen to the Studio panel. From here, let's select Video Overview. As soon as we click it, NotebookLM starts generating a video automatically from generative_ai.pdf. Behind the scenes, several things are happening at once. NotebookLM reads the entire PDF. It identifies important sections such as definitions, workflows, and examples. It organizes the content into a logical learning flow. It selects visuals, headings, and highlights key points. And finally, it generates AI narration for the video. All of this happens without writing a script manually or editing a video timeline. It takes few minutes to generate the video explainer, so meanwhile let's see how to customize the video explainer before generation. Click on the pencil icon. We can choose an explainer style format for deep understanding. We can select the language. We can control whether the video is short or more detailed. We can also provide a steering prompt, such as asking the video to explain generative AI for beginners. This allows us to tailor the video without touching any video editing tools. Now, let's close and check the generated video. Once the video is ready, it appears in the Studio panel. Let's click on it. Now we can watch a complete AI generated video explainer created directly from generative_ai.pdf. The video contains slides. It includes narration explaining generative AI concepts. It follows a structured flow from introduction to working principles to real-world use cases. Most importantly, every explanation is grounded in the content of generative_ai.pdf. This ensures accuracy and avoids hallucinated information. Let's pause and understand why this matters. Normally, turning a PDF like generative_ai.pdf into a video explainer takes hours or even days. Writing a script, creating slides, recording voice, editing the video. NotebookLM removes all of that effort. Students can create revision videos from textbooks. Teachers can convert notes into lecture videos. Creators can turn PDFs into YouTube explainers, all using one free Google AI tool. Before closing, let's remember one important thing. The video is AI generated. There may be small inaccuracies or visual mismatches. Always review the video before publishing or sharing. NotebookLM gives an excellent first draft, not a final replacement for human judgment. Now let's download this video. Once it is downloaded, let's play and see how it looks.
Okay, so we're hearing a ton about artificial intelligence these days, right? But today, we're going to cut through the hype and focus on how one specific kind, generative...
This looks awesome, right? Do check out this NotebookLM for your work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.